Hey guys, it's Jessica with Solby Home. I've got a simple dry brushing technique for you today. Super easy. We're gonna dive right in. So first, I'm putting some Bliss on this frame, and I'm just barely getting my brush wet and then offing it on some cardboard. And I'm just working it into the frame. This is Bliss by Country Chic Paint. And next is Peachy Keen. So I'm just working that in. Sorry about my bad hair day here. All right, this is Bee's Knees. It's a little yellow, light toned yellow color. So I put a little too much on right there, but I'm able to work it back in, and it is really giving it a pretty cool effect. It just looks like old wood. Even though they're bright colors, they're pretty subtle on here. And then I'm just going back over with a little bit of Bliss, kind of dotting it on there. This is a really old brush, and I use it for my dry brushing. It really gives it a good effect. It's just kind of, I don't know, it's aged to perfection, I guess. But here's the end result. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Have a good week.